photoshoot day. Gonna have fun. Okay. Location ready, guys, for photo shoot. I'm just extra babe, so ngifuna a location in Zimbo for my photo shoot. I want the dam over them. I want cows. I want greenery. I want a beautiful landscape. Because I'm a film director. What do you mean, babe? How? That's a professional. I got TV. This thing shoots and jokes, guys. But yeah, yeah, have one. Yes, this one ain't go.
Yes, this is how you should be, my dear.
Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Hi,
As
Charlie.
finally, these ones are healthy.
Hey, this one's coming to you.
Don't run. Mla.
We'll get through it, don't worry.
Okay.
Oh, my sin, Lord Jesus. Wow.
Don't run.
Now,
So I have to take care of you now. Yeah.
Guys,
this shot is beautiful. Let me
this
see
is what I want. That's the carpet I want.
if I can.
Wanda, they're not scared, Mla.
Yeah, you can stand there.
Chubby.
Yeah, you see it will work.
Kita now.
Chubby, wait.
Now.
No, not said you milk it.
Please don't add that on your vlog.
Do another shot by the.
Yes, by the
dam,
bales.
there's a nice sunset.
Yes, and the dam is very nice. And I mean, if
Yes.
Of the clouds.
I see it.
So when they're walking like this, Mla, you can walk in front.
Yeah,
You can see them in the
Yeah.
No, they won't bite you. You are running. Don't run, just take a walk.
You're so naughty, girl.
What did you do?
What's her name? She also has a guilty face.
So you'll walk this way and then they will be following you.
That way.
Okay. So I can be here, right?
Yeah.
This is fine.
And then we'll be walking that way.
Okay. Tell me when they're closer here.
No, let's walk. They will follow. The more you walk now, they will walk.
so usually when they come in here, they walk faster because now they're still grazing.
Mm.
And
You're moving
and
too
it's-
fast.
Sitting down
Yes,
there.
that's very nice as
Yes,
well. So
yes.
I think it would
Leave that dog.
so,
And then they will be here all around.
yeah, so
Yes.
I think it would be nice. I mean, even if they
wait.
walk in,
Kita,
and you can get them there.
kita, girl.
Sunset a bit, that would also
I
be
think if
nice.
they are coming through, we'll just take.
You know the cows, so I think if you go, it's not necessarily because they have a lot of cows, so they might not even know what the cows are. You see, so I mean, when they settle down,
So this is that shot.
Yeah, this is the shot, eh? Hi, how are you?
settle down, it's a bit easier, and you can maybe go stand there. Yeah. Yeah. So now they'll stay here. So whatever shot you didn't get, you can.
I can get it
You
here
can
and
get it
move
here.
around.
Yes, you can get it here and move around.
Yeah.
And then you have to. Do you have to do like dances the whole time?
Yes.
Babe,
But you can step back a little bit. You can go.
We're gonna look for where there's like a lot of
Is this
cows.
fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Then also Mapasa can come closer.
Okay.
Mapasa can come closer too.
Come forward. I'm looking at that one. I'm like, hey.
Is it?
I don't want to risk anyone getting hurt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We also
I'm also just scared of them. I'm not trying to be close to them. I'm not trying to be.
Yeah, so maybe like we can do like a distance, so you can.
Hi Nae, Gunjani. I hope you're good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing something very exciting. I wasn't thinking Chabule. I'm gonna show you guys them once we get to the venue. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. So stay tuned. Oh, see Enrieni, see Shuteni, see Obona. I'm gonna give you scared because you shoot an enkomo. Ngake ngashutha mina ngibona ngiphathwe inkomo kodwa ke sizobona phambili. So we're gonna get there and then we're gonna change to an outfit once you get to the venue. Okay, please like the video, comment, subscribe, and
They're so naughty. It's kind of too big for me.
it's not.
Yes. From the dopest drone flyer. Do not judge my ability.
Because
Because I'm trying to like... Yes. 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 That is fine. Last.
oh, cute.
If you wanna post them, we can do portrait on those ones.
Okay, it's fine. That's fine. So I have like umkhonto nehawu. Manje angazi umkhonto ubhekiswa phezulu or phansi because angifuna ukushutha kanti into wrong. Ubhekiswa phansi. Oh, okay, ma'am. Ngizokuthumela ke masiqeda.
Yes. Don't look at the camera. Yeah, that's really nice, Mapasa. Okay. Eshe. Hey, Eshe. Anyway, I'm setting up the drone, y'all.
So as we were shooting, having fun, my pastor's like, Mla, look behind you. Mine isn't like, guys. This cow was giving birth right behind me. And we stopped for a few minutes just to let this process happen. And Salinda, I was so shocked. But also I was like, whoa, this is beautiful. Because I've never seen a cow giving birth before. So we're all excited at the farm, even the owners. We're just so happy. My pastor decided to just take a cute drone for them, you know, for memories. And other cows came by and started to lick the new baby of the family, I guess. I think everything was just so cute. I was like, Yo, he's trying to find a spot to get his shots.
Long. I can get BTS now. Come on.
What should I do, my pastor?
The sun is nice and soft.
Hey, washumla. 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 Emlangen. Hey. 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 Washuma pasa, guys.
And that's a wrap, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen,
It's
it's a wrap.
what a wonderful day